Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to compare two of the latest and most powerful processors in the market today. If you are in the market for a new processor, then this video is definitely for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below to let us know which processor you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this one. In terms of price, the Intel Core i5-12400 is cheaper than the AMD Ryzen 5 7600, with a price of $182 compared to $229. That's a savings of almost $50 if you go for the Intel option. Both processors offer impressive performance, with the Intel Core i5-12400 boasting a hyper-threading architecture that delivers high performance for demanding applications, while the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 offers 6 cores and 12 processing threads based on AMD's Zen 4-feet architecture for powerful gaming performance. The Intel Core i5-12400 has 18 megabytes of L3 cache, which is great for carrying routine data and processing them in a flash, while the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 has a massive 38 megabytes cache for even faster performance. Both processors have built-in graphics controllers, but the Intel Core i5-12400 comes with an Intel UHD Graphics 730 controller for improved graphics and visual quality, while the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 has no integrated graphics and relies on a separate graphics card for display. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600 is unlocked for overclocking, allowing you to push the processor even further for even better performance. The Intel Core i5-12400 is not unlocked for overclocking. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you found this comparison helpful in making a decision between these two powerful processors. Let us know in the comments which one you decided to go for. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this one. Thanks for watching.